Hindi masama ang unahin ang sarili. Tandaan niyo po yun. Huwag kang magigilty kapag inuuna mo ang iyong sarili. There's nothing wrong when you take care of yourself. Why is that? Because remember, you cannot pour from an empty pot. Ulitin ko po yun. You cannot pour from an empty pot. Kahit na paano mo kalugin ang kaldero, walang lalabas dyan kung hindi mo yan pinuno. Ibig sabihin, makakapagbigay ka lang kung pinuno mo ang iyong sarili. Makakapagmahal ka lang kung inuna mong minahal ang iyong sarili. If you want to give and give, no? So if you want to give and give also to yourself. Give first to yourself.